Hey, we're still toughing it out. Joe and Steve out here in Staten Island. We're actually on the other side of the Verrazano Bridge right now in Staten Island. So again, we're gonna be doing that this for that. We're gonna look at your community. We're gonna find a house, its current value, and then we're gonna bring it into Florida. We're gonna show you how much more you're gonna get there.
And again, guys, I'm here with Steve. I'm Joe DeMarco with Hartford Funding. Once again, I'm gonna be able to be the point of contact if you guys are having any type of questions about how you can make that move from, say, here in Staten Island down to Southwest Florida. What's it gonna take to get the equity out of your property? Do you wanna buy before you sell? Whatever it is you want to do, we're gonna take it back to the office and we're gonna show you how we can make that possible for you.
Hey, it's Steve Zalunardo here at Treviso Realty. We're in Staten Island. This is a nice, beautiful community, and I want to show you the property behind us here. It's, let's just read off the script here. So it's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,056 square feet. They're asking $849,000. Let's just run just a little bit to talk about what it costs per year. So property insurance, $2,500, and property taxes, $9,100. Some people think Florida is only for the wealthy, but here's the truth. The average household here earns more than Staten Island. You can buy a newer, bigger home for less money, and your overall cost of living can drop 20 to 30%. On top of that, crime rates here are a fraction of what you're going to see in NYC, making it safer for your kids, your business, your future. Let's talk some numbers. Economics, income reality. Staten Island's median household income is $95,000 a year. The Estero's higher at $100,000 a year, meaning Florida's middle class income base isn't lower, it's stronger in certain areas. Housing value gap. Staten Island's typical house value is $700,000 versus Estero's $523,000. That's $179,000 cheaper in Estero with bigger homes and newer builds. Cost of living advantage. Staten Island is 58% above US average, while Estero is between 26 and 54%. Depending on area, that's potentially a 20 to 30% cost of living savings for the same or higher income. Let's talk about one of the most important things when raising a family. That's crime and safety in your community. Currently right now, Staten Island crime index is 1,479 crimes per 100,000, while Lee County is 294, Collier County 258, and Estero 14. That makes Staten Island 407% higher crime rate than Lee County, 474% higher crime rate than Collier County, and over 1,000% for Estero. So where would you want to raise your family? So we're going to bring you down to Florida and show you what you can get for $825. All right, so we're back in Southwest Florida. The house behind us here is called the Stellar Model, built by Pulte, one of the more luxurious builders in the community. It's a 3-bedroom plus den, 4-bathroom, 10 to 11-foot ceilings on the main floor. It's got 0 corner doors, and you can spec it out with a pool. You can buy this home as low as $650,000 up to $850,000 with a pool. Let's go have a look. All right, New York, what's your thoughts on this home? So you can get this home between $650,000 and $800,000 in a similar spec. What's your thoughts? Leave us some comments if you would trade your home in New York for this home here in Southwest Florida.
All right, guys, Joe DeMarco here, Hartford Funding. So now we're back from New York. We're in my office here, and now we want to show you comparison price to what you may have up in New York and what you can buy similar down here in Southwest Florida. So today, buying a house here in sunny Southwest Florida with a purchase price right around $480,000, and assuming we're going to use all the equity that you possibly have in a property there in Staten Island, we're going to have a down payment of right around $300,000. Therefore, only financing $180,000. With that being said, at today's recording and current market rate, you'd only be looking at a payment at right around $1,182 for this property. And again, if you want to look at something with a little less money down, hanging on to some of your cash, please feel free to reach out to me. We can talk different structures. My name is Joe DeMarco. I'm with Hartford Funding, and I'm right here in sunny Southwest Florida.
Hey, Steve and Joe again. We're in Staten Island. We're just wrapping up for today. So we did 3 boroughs. This is the last borough. I like Staten Island. It's actually quite pretty. A lot of Italian restaurants were around. But again, we're here to show you what you can get in Southwest Florida based on the value that you're paying for a home here and how far your money will go down that way. So that's the whole point of this. So follow us into Florida. I'm going to show you what we can get for product. Joe's going to get you the numbers. And we hope to see you in the Sunshine State.